How to withdraw WAXP coin from Alcor DEX to Kucoin exchange. Go to this website https://wax.alcor.exchange/wallet, then click on Connect Wallet located at the upper right hand. Then select WAX Cloud Wallet. Then click on the Approve button. Once you're logged in, you can see your balance here. Then, click on the Wallet tab and click on Transfer button under your WAXP coin. Here, you need to fill out the WAXP wallet address and the Memo tag number. To get your WAXP address and Memo number, open your Kucoin app account, then click on the Asset button. Then click on Deposit button. Type WAXP on the search bar. Then click on WAXP at the bottom. Put a check mark here, I understand the risk and wish to continue, and then click on the Continue button. Now copy your WAXP address here and the Memo number. Once you have copied your WAXP deposit address and Memo number from Kucoin, go back here and paste your Kucoin WAXP address and Memo number. Then type the exact amount that you want to withdraw. Then click on Transfer WAXP button. It will prompt you with this message. Just click on the X button at the upper right. Then click on the Approve button. And after that you should see this message, transaction complete. Just wait for about 3-5 minutes and you should see your WAXP at your Kucoin account.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, I have already received my WAXP coin from my Kucoin account. And that's all. I'll see you next time. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.